Welcome to using Fluency SpeechBox in Expanse Web. SpeechBox is a feature within Fluency that enables you to dictate and capture information from areas of the patient's chart when you're unable to dictate directly into your document. A practical example of where SpeechBox is useful is when you are viewing the patient's external medication history from PharmaNet. This screen occupies the same screen space as the document, making it impossible to dictate this information directly into the document. While viewing and focused on the information you wish to capture, use the microphone and state the command, "Open SpeechBox on top." Then, while focused on SpeechBox, state the command, "Set Target." These two commands will ensure that SpeechBox stays visible on top of what you are dictating, and anything you dictate, regardless of where you might navigate to within the chart, is captured into the SpeechBox text area. I will now start dictating the patient's medication history into SpeechBox. Acetaminophen with codeine, new line. Zopiclone, new line. Acebutolol, new line. Mesalazine, new line. Lithium carbonate, new line. Ciprofloxacin, new line. Levothyroxine sodium, new line. Propranolol, new line. Colchicine, new line. I will now close the external medication history window, which will return me to the document view. Place my cursor in the location where I want the captured text to appear, and issue the command, "Transfer text," to insert the medication history I dictated into SpeechBox. The SpeechBox window will now drop from view after the text transfers. Thanks for watching.